Perfecto! Would you help me make Mr. Betty Bed, please? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3! Oh, perfecto! Binoo, have you got the hiccups? Oh, no, Binoo, you can't stop. Oh, well, don't worry. The fabulous Toopy to the rescue! I know just the thing to cure your hiccups. We're going to hold our breath. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. That should do it. You've still got the hiccups. That's so funny. But don't worry, Binoo. I have another cure. Come with me. Are you ready, Binoo? Here we go. Yeah. Lying on your stomach always cures the hiccups, Binoo. Binoo, you've still got the hiccups. Maybe, drumming on the bed will cure the hiccups. Try it, like this. Drum, 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 drum. Good, Binoo. Oh no! You've still got the hiccups! Binoo, we'll have to try something else. Come with me! I know! I'm going to spin the hiccups out of you. Take my hand. Ready? Here we go! Faster, faster, faster! How was that, Binoo? You've still got the hiccups, Binoo. There's only one more thing to try. Broccoli! Blankets all blankety. Pillows all pillowy. Patchy patch aboard. Vroom vroom and nice work, Binoo. There's our broccoli. Oh boy! Look at all this broccoli. Here's one. Oh, Binoo. That was a good one. Here's one. I love it. Uh-oh. Binoo. Now I've got the hiccups too. Now we both need a cure. That's it. I know someone who could help us both. Come on, Binoo. Follow me, Binoo. Perfecto! It's Mr. Lips. Excuse me, Mr. Lips. My friend Binoo and I are looking for a cure for the hiccups. Do you know a cure for the hiccups? You do? He does. What is it? Singing and dancing? Binoo, it's singing and dancing. Oh, can I try, Mr. Lips? Oh, great. Let me think of one. Oh, I've got it. A little peep comes from my mouth. No matter what I do, it must come out. I've got the hiccups. He's got the hiccups. We've got the hiccups today. One thing I know for sure is there's got to be a cure. I don't want to have the hiccups every day. Hey! I don't have the hiccups anymore. Binoo, do you still have the hiccups? We did it! Oh, Mr. Lips, your cure worked. Singing and dancing is the best thing ever! Oh, it's been a fabulous hiccupy day, Mr. Lips, but we've got to get going. Thanks again. Goodbye! Come on, Binoo. Binoo, I am so glad we cured those silly hiccups. Nighty-night, Binoo. Mwah. Binoo? Was that you, Binoo? It's coming from under the bed, Binoo. Oh, now the monster under the bed has the hiccups. Well, I know what we'll be doing tomorrow, Binoo.